Step-by-step guide to using chemical indicators in pH measurement. Title: Step-by-step guide to using chemical indicators in pH measurement. Introduction. In many scientific and everyday scenarios, accurately determining the acidity or alkalinity of a solution is of utmost importance. pH measurement, a widely used method, relies on chemical indicators. To determine the pH value with ease and precision. Chemical indicators are substances that exhibit different colors at different pH levels, making them an essential tool in pH measurement. In this article, we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to effectively and accurately use chemical indicators for pH measurement. Step 1. Understanding the basics of pH and chemical indicators. Before delving into the practical application of chemical indicators, it's essential to grasp the fundamentals. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Values below 7 indicate acidity, while values above 7 represent alkalinity. Chemical indicators are organic compounds that undergo a distinct color change based on the pH of the solution they are placed in. Step 2. Choosing the right chemical indicator. To ensure accurate pH measurement, selecting the appropriate chemical indicator is crucial. Various indicators are available, each with a specific color transition range. Universal indicators, such as phenolphthalein and litmus paper, provide a broader pH range and are useful for general applications. For more precise measurements, specialized indicators like bromothymol blue or methyl orange Ma. Why be preferred? Consider the pH range of the solution you are working with and choose a chemical indicator that falls within that range. Step 3. Preparing the solution for measurement. Begin by preparing the solution that requires pH measurement. Ensure that the solution is thoroughly mixed to prevent any concentration variations within it. Also, make sure that the solution is at a stable and constant temperature, as this can affect the accuracy of the pH measurement. Step 4. Calibrating the pH meter, optional. While chemical indicators are an excellent visual method for pH measurement, some instances might require a higher level of precision. In such cases, calibrating a pH meter to ensure accurate reading is advisable. Follow the manufacturer's instructions on how to properly calibrate the pH meter before proceeding with a chemical indicator. Step 5. Adding the chemical indicator. Take a small amount of the prepared solution and transfer it to a clean and transparent container. Ensure that the container has a white background, as this facilitates accurate color observation. Add a drop or two of the chosen chemical indicator to the solution and gently swirl the contents to allow for uniform mixing. Step 6. Observing the color change. Observe the color change that occurs upon adding the chemical indicator. Different indicators exhibit distinctive color transitions. For instance, phenolphthalein changes from colorless to pink in pH. Presence of a basic solution, while litmus paper turns red in acidic conditions and blue in alkaline solutions. Compare the final color to the respective color chart provided by the manufacturer to determine the pH value of the solution accurately. Step 7. Interpreting the pH measurement. Once the color change has occurred, compare it to the color chart to obtain the corresponding pH value. Take care to consider any differences in lighting conditions, as this can impact color percepti. Record the obtained pH value for future reference, analysis, or adjustments to the solution's acidity or alkalinity. Step 8. Verification and repeatability. To ensure accurate and reliable pH measurement, it is essential to verify the obtained results. Repeat the process with fresh samples of the solution and compare the results with the initial measure. Consistency between multiple measurements strengthens the validity and reliability of the obtained pH values. Step 9. Maintaining the accuracy of chemical indicators. To maintain the accuracy of chemical indicators, proper care and storage are necessary. Store chemical indicators in a cool and dry place, away from direct sunlight, as exposure to light and moisture can alter their properties and render them ineffective. Also, ensure that the chemical indicators are not contaminated with other substances, as this can affect their ability to accurately measure pH levels. Step 10. Troubleshooting common issues. Although using chemical indicators for pH measurement is generally straightforward, you may encounter some common issues. One common problem is inaccurate color perception due to poor lighting conduit. Ions. In such cases, ensure that you have adequate lighting and use a white background to enhance color observation. Another issue could be the presence of impurities in the solution, which might affect the accuracy of the color change. It is crucial to use clean and properly mixed solutions to obtain reliable results. Additionally, always follow the manufacturer's instructions for the chosen pH chemical indicator to ensure optimal performance. Step 11. Safety precautions. When working with chemical indicators, it is essential to prioritize safety. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and goggles, to protect yourself from potential hazards. Avoid inhaling or ingesting the indicators, as some may be toxic or harmful. Additionally, properly dispose of any waste generated during the pH measurement process in accordance with local regulations. Step 12. Advancements in pH measurement. While chemical indicators continue to be widely used for pH measurement, advancements in technology have introduced alternative methods. pH meters and electronic sensors offer increased accuracy and precision compared to visual observation. These devices provide digital readings, eliminating the subjective interpretation of color changes. Depending on the specific application, you may explore technological advancements for pH measurement. Step 13. Applications of pH measurement. The pH measurement technique using chemical indicators finds numerous applications across different fields. In scientific research, it is used to analyze the acidity or alkalinity of various substances, such as soil samples, water quality, and biological fluids. In industrial settings, pH measurement is critical for quality control in the production of chemicals, pharmaceuticals, and food and beverage products. It also plays a vital role in environmental monitoring of aquatic ecosystems. Additionally, pH measurement is essential in educational laboratories to teach students about acidity, alkalinity, and chemical reactions. Step 14. Further exploration and learning. If you want to deepen your understanding of pH measurement and chemical indicators, there are various resources available for further exploration. Books, online articles, and scientific journals provide comprehensive information on the topic. Additionally, attending workshops or seminars related to pH measurement can enhance your practical skills and knowledge. Step 15. Conclusion. Step 16. Additional tips and tricks. To further enhance your pH measurement process using chemical indicators, here are a few additional tips and tricks.